All right, let's talk about the favorite drawing tools toolbar. Talk about a long name. This is located down here in the bottom left, the star. And this is one of my absolute favorite features on TradingView. And this gives you a quick access panel to your favorite drawing tools. If you ever can't find this thing, it's because it's not highlighted here. So make sure you go and turn that on. That's how you turn the favorites toolbar on and off. I will do a separate video on that because people search for that separately, but I'm just telling you right now, that's how you turn it on and off. Now, how do you add different drawing tools to your favorite drawing tools toolbar? Well, real simple. You come over here and you see where I have stars. Those stars are the ones that go onto my toolbar. You hover and there's a star and you can add that to the favorites. See how it added that to the end of my toolbar? I don't use that tool, so I don't need it. But that's how you add items to your favorite toolbar. And that is under each of these categories. You can star any of these things and create a favorites toolbar. If you're in my group, these are the ones I tend to use the most. So you can screenshot that if you want and maybe add those to your favorite drawing tools toolbar on TradingView.